In this video, I will explain to you how to get a universe ID on Roblox. So first of all, go to roblox.com and sign in. Um, you could choose any game you would like. So I will just choose a random game. Well, take this one for example. And then you will open a new tab and you will type in the following. You are going to pastebin.com. So type in your search bar pastebin.com slash capital D, capital R, W, capital U, capital X, G, capital S, N. And you will be redirecting to this page. And this link you will want to copy. So we will select it all and copy. And then we will open a new tab and paste it in the search bar. Right here you can see place your ID here. So we have to go back to Roblox. Well, it didn't quite work what I wanted to do. So let's open a new one. And now you have to copy the numbers. So these are those numbers. You can copy it. Get to your new tab. Place idea here. Remove it. And paste the numbers. And push on enter. Then you have to search a little for your universe idea, but it's standing right here. Universe idea and then the number, like here 23169942223. So you can copy the universe ID and paste it on any game you would like. And that's it. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please like our video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we are placing any more new videos. Thank you for watching.